Hello and welcome to Michelle's Beauty Room. I'm so excited. We are going to talk about lashes today and how easy they really are. I know it overwhelms a lot of women, and I have 3 easy steps that you need to do to apply these. My honestly go-to is Ardell Wispies. These are my favorite. They're not too long, they're not too short. I feel like they're good girls' night out kind of lashes. These are the Huda Beauty. These are very long, very va-va-voom. But for video, they are a little bit more noticeable so you can see them. So all you'll need is your lashes. You need some duo adhesive. I like the black because it sort of blends into your lash line really nice. And then you need good tweezers. Before you apply, a lot of times these lashes are a little too long for your eye. So make sure you want to sort of measure before you put them on. I just take some scissors and take the little corner, you guys can even see, the duo black adhesive. You're going to apply it onto the edge of your lashes, and you're going to dry it for a moment. Now the trick is what I use, so I use my tweezer, I put it in the center. Can you see that? Now you're going to go to the center of your eye. You want to place the middle of your lash first, come on the outside, place the outside. Now this part is still a little lifted, so you're going to go in and push that down.